Here we will see installation of PHP on Windows 10. Installation of PHP on Windows 10 is not difficult. First we will understand the steps involved, and after that we will see each step in detail. To install PHP, get the latest PHP package from the PHP website php.net. From this website, click on Downloads. From there, select Windows Downloads and then select Download Source Code. A zip file for PHP is downloaded. After downloading the zip file, create a PHP 7 folder on C drive. Then extract the zip file and place all its components in the PHP 7 folder. After that, find a file named php.ini development and make a copy of this file and rename it as php.ini. Open php.ini with the help of Notepad or Notepad++ to make some changes. First, find the extension dir and remove the semicolon besides the extension dir equal to ext. After that, enable any required extensions. This will depend on the libraries that you want to use, but the following extensions should be suitable for most applications. Extension equal to curl, extension equal to gd, extension equal to MB string, and extension equal to PDO MySQL. Now set the path environment. To ensure Windows can find the PHP executable, you need to change the path environment variable. For this, open a control panel and then search for a variable. After that, click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Then click on Environment Variables. Then select Path from System Variables and click on Edit. To add a path, click on New, then add C drive/php7. If Apache server is not installed on your machine, install Apache. To install it, download the latest Win64 zip file from this website apachelaunch.com/download and extract its Apache 24 folder to the root of your C drive. Then open a CMD from command prompt and start Apache with following command. If you need to change any setting, Apache configuration file is located at apache24/conf/httpd.conf. The web server root folder is located at C drive/apache24/htdocs. After installing, configure the PHP as an Apache module. For this, first ensure that Apache isn't running and open its Apache 24/conf/httpd.configuration file in text editor and add the following lines to the bottom of the file to set PHP as an Apache module. Optionally change the directory index setting to load the index.php instead of index.html when it can be found. The initial settings are directory index, index.html. Then change it to directory index, index.php and index.html. Save the httpd config file and test the updates from a command line with following commands. To test the PHP file, create a new file named index.php in Apache web page root folder and add the following PHP code in it. and in web browser run the index.php under localhost. Here we will see installation of PHP. For this, open php.net website. From here click on downloads. From here select Windows downloads, and from here select download source code. It will download a zip file.